Welcome to Operations Templates by Xenia. Today, we'll show you how to build and schedule your processes, checklists, SOPs, and inspections using our platform. We'll walk you through a simple example checklist and cover more advanced features in subsequent videos in this playlist. First thing we're going to do is click on the Operations Templates button here. We can create a new template or start with a pre-built template from Xenia's template library. Let's click on the Create New Template button and then select Build from Scratch. We are now entering the Template Builder, where we can give this template a name and add it to an optional folder. By default, every Xenia template comes preloaded with 3 steps, a location step, the name, and the date and time. These steps can be deleted or renamed. However, if you have multiple locations in your workspace, we recommend keeping the Select Location step in this template as well as having the Submission Location option toggled on. This is important for your Xenia reports so we can track which reports are submitted for which locations. Xenia's operations templates can be customized with a multitude of different step types. You can use a checkbox step, photo capture step, multiple choice, geostamp, signature, temperature response, and so much more. Let's start to customize our checklist with a multiple choice question. First, enter a description for the step. Next, let's add the response options. The View Saved Options button lets you reuse options for other steps. Here we'll pick yes or no. Now let's add another response option. For example, we could type in Not Applicable as a response option. I can also change the color of the response. As we build out our steps, we can see how this checklist will look on the Xenia mobile app and tablet app with the preview screen on the right. Let's go ahead and add another step. Let's try out a temperature response step. Next, let's create a new section. Sections are great for dividing up your processes and checklists into multiple parts. This is also helpful for when we enable weighted scoring to view scoring by section, which we will cover in a subsequent video. Let's now add a few more steps, using our number answer and signature step options. Once our checklist is ready, we can publish it by clicking on the button in the upper right-hand corner. Templates must be published before others can view, create submissions, assign, or schedule them. Click on the 3 dots in the upper right and select Assign to create a new schedule for this checklist. Xenia's scheduling engine will appear where we can name the schedule. Next, select the assignee. This can be a single user, multiple users, teams, or entire locations. Next, select the priority level of this assignment, as well as the category, which is useful for our reporting. To turn this assignment into a recurring schedule, toggle the Add Schedule button. Here we are presented with several recurrence options. We can schedule this checklist to activate on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, biannual, annual, or one-off basis. In this example, let's have the schedule activate every month on the 15th. We can also specify a start and due time to receive notifications when a scheduled assignment becomes overdue. There is an option to have this checklist start from a specified date. In this case, I can make this schedule start after July 16th. We can also limit when this recurring schedule needs to end. In this case, I will have it run forever. For this schedule, I can even create advanced reminders so that alerts are sent for this task in advance of the due date. This also makes the task available to start multiple hours, days, or weeks before it is due. Here I'll make this task available to start 2 days before the due date. This checkbox determines if a task can be completed after the due time. If checked, the task is marked as missed after the due time, preventing your team from completing the checklist. Finally, make sure that your schedule is either tagged to a location or an asset. This is important for reporting and ensuring which locations and users can view this assignment. Let's go ahead and deploy the schedule. We can view all our recurring checklist assignments from the Scheduled Work tab here. Here we can see the monthly inspection we created specifically for the Wayne location. When we click into the schedule, we can view the schedule details and the associated tasks for the schedule along with what is open, in progress, completed, and missed. We can also see that this specific checklist will be activated every month on the 15th. You've now learned how to build customized checklists in Xenia and deploy them across your teams on a recurring basis. Join us in the next video where we cover some more advanced concepts to drive automations and custom reporting for your company.